Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Philibus Yelredimka, a student of Plateau State University, currently learning Web3 with Blockfuse Lab. So I'll be documenting my journey with Blockfuse Lab on this channel. Okay, week one, it was more of introduction, and Blockfuse Lab. At Blockfuse Lab, we have three lectures a week. That is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So this is a summary of what I learned at Blockfuse Lab. The first day, which is day one, it was introduction to Ethereum and blockchain. That was on Monday. We were introduced to the concept of blockchain, focusing specifically on Ethereum. And blockchain was defined as a network of blocks where each block consists of series of transactions, and these transactions can involve Ether, which is the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum, or it might be smart contract, which are programmable instructions that execute specific tasks. And Ethereum was described to us as a network of nodes. When we mean by nodes, computers working together to maintain this blockchain. And there was this interesting thing that I learned about Ethereum. Ethereum being a Turing machine, that is, meaning it can perform any computation given enough resources. As part of our learning, we were assigned to read the three chapters from the Bible of Ethereum, which gives an in depth understanding of what Ethereum is and its architecture. Then on day two, it was computer architecture and memory. That was Wednesday, and we shifted focus to computer architecture with particular attention to the working memory of the computer. In other words, the RAM, that is the random access memory. And we learned about the two types of memory. The first one, which is the static, also known as the stack memory. And this particular type of memory is used to store data types of known fixed size, of known size, and it has fixed size. Then we also talked about the dynamic memory, uh, which we can call it the heap. This is used to store data types that we don't actually know their size at compile time.
Cool.
Then apart from that, we are also made to understand that the stack memory is mainly made to store scalar data types. And we also talked about bitwise operators on that particular day. Um, they include the shift, the left shift, the right shift, the complement operator, and the exclusive OR. This particular operators allowed us to manipulate data at the binary level, which is critical for efficient computation. We were tasked to not only understand this concept, but to also practice and see how they work in real scenarios. Then day three, it was a deep dive into Ethereum because we were given assignment initially to read from chapter one to chapter three of the Bible of Ethereum. Uh, on that particular day, which was us building on our own assignment, the first thing we were made to understand is Ethereum was described as a world computer and a deterministic machine with a universally unbounded state. What this means is that given the same input and output, Ethereum will always produce the same output, making it reliable for running smart contracts. And we were also, each particular student in that particular camp was made to share insight of what he or she have read and understand from the assignment before we continue. Okay, in conclusion, this past week has been In conclusion, this past week has been a deep dive into the concept of blockchain and Ethereum. So my big thanks goes to Blockfuse Lab for giving me a clearer understanding and the opportunity to learn all of this stuff. And I am excited to continue building on this knowledge in the coming weeks with Blockfuse Lab. And I believe there is much more for me to learn, and I am also eager to dive into both the technical aspect of Ethereum and the practical application of what I learned. And I want to use this opportunity to thank Blockfuse Lab for producing such a resourceful learning platform and for challenging us not to only understand this concept but to apply them practically. The support and the resources are truly what no tongue can actually tell. So I am really grateful, and I would love it if you will continue this journey with me as I'll be documenting each of the activity and each knowledge I acquired in this channel. I am really grateful. Thank you for watching.